Hey guys, it's xRanker360 here, right here from Red Ice Marketing's headquarters, which is basically my home office. Now, I'm jumping in front of camera after a very long time because I was working on some really cool stuff in the background. And you guys might have noticed that I was not really recommending or promoting a lot of products in past 10 to 15 days, all right? So the reason why I jumped in front of camera after like 15 days or maybe a little more than that is because of this amazing product that I've been talking about since past 2 days, all right? Now it's about ranking, okay? Now we all know that everybody needs traffic. I mean, I really don't even want to get in there as to why it is important and all that stuff. I mean, everybody knows why traffic is important and why you really need traffic, okay? Lead, sales, every single thing. Now, we also know that if you can rank really quickly on Google, Bing, and other places, right? You're gonna get a ton of organic traffic. I mean, that's exactly what SEO is all about. Now, here's the problem. The traditional way of doing SEO is really not working, okay? As it takes a lot of time. Okay, now if you have a long-term blog, if you already have like a couple of different income streams and you really want to go the SEO route, that's fine. But if you really want instant results, okay, then what you need to do is you need to actually go the paid ads route. Now the problem with paid advertisement is you need to tweak, all right? You need to test, you need to tweak, you need to make sure the offer is correct, you need to make sure the demographics is correct, you need to make sure the ad budget that you're setting, that is correct, and everything, the ad image, the ad text. So basically what I'm saying is, you need to test a lot before you actually find a proper winning campaign. Only after that you actually start seeing some cash flowing in, and that's not even the profit. That's basically trying to break even the money you already poured into ads and stuff like that. So here we have SEO that takes a lot of time, right? And then we have PPC, like Facebook ads and other stuff, which is fast, right? Comparatively much faster, but it requires money for you to actually test out things and do stuff like that. Now, what if we actually merge these two things and take the best of both the things and combine into one thing? That's right, that's exactly what xRanker360 is all about. And just imagine, what if you can actually test, all right, as much as you want for free, okay? You test and you actually rank your videos on Google's page #1 without spending a dime. And after you rank, all right, after you rank on Google page #1, you start doing some work. I mean, before that, you really don't have to do anything at all because the software really does everything for you. Amazing, right? I mean, when Joshua actually told me about it, I was astonished. I was like, is it really even possible? But then he showed me demo. He showed me like 2 case studies, all right, where his students and clients were able to rank to Google's page #1 within 24 hours and then 48 hours. It was really crazy. So I went ahead and I reviewed the whole course. I actually put it in test, and this thing works. Any niche, doesn't really matter, okay? Any niche, your experience level doesn't matter, your budget doesn't matter. Because think about it, if you already have a winning campaign before shelling out a single dime, then of course you can put some money into the winning campaign and start seeing the ROI immediately, right? So there's a reason I'm so excited about this, and there's a reason I put together this special offer page just for you. So go ahead, check out the bonuses. Now don't worry if you have never done video marketing, because my bonuses are gonna help you. Now there are 3 things, okay? 3 very important things in bonuses. Three modules basically, right? 1 is going to teach you about Facebook marketing. The second is going to teach you about YouTube marketing. That is about YouTube excellence, all right? And the third one is about video marketing in general. So if you have never ever done video marketing, if you have no clue about that, well, don't worry, I've got you covered. So instead of like just downloading some stuff from all membership sites and just putting them together and giving it to you without making any sense, I decided to actually put together this really good and valuable bonus package just for you guys, okay? Now there is demo, there is case study, everything is right here, and now I would like to get Joshua on cam so that he can actually explain you about xRanker360 in more detail. So friends, go ahead, check out the page, check out what Joshua has to say, and take the right decision. xRanker360 is always there for you. Support issues, bonuses, list, whatever, just drop an email. Just reply to the email that got you over here, and I'm gonna take care of that for you, okay? That's pretty much it. And Vishrat signing off from Red Ice Marketing's headquarters. Over to Joshua Zamora now.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and first off I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. In this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can finally guarantee that you can rank your videos on the first page of Google in 48 hours or less, which will allow you to drive thousands of laser targeted visitors and sales to your offers. Plus on this page you're even going to be able to see a live case study of how I ranked not one but 2 videos on the first page of Google with just 5 minutes of work. Now I know that saying that you're guaranteed to rank your video sounds too good to be true, but I just want you to give me your undivided attention for the next few minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how that's possible with our brand new web app. It doesn't matter if you're doing affiliate marketing, local marketing, list building, CPA marketing, or anything in between. If you've ever wanted to get targeted buyer traffic from ranking your videos on the first page of Google, then you're in the right place. Because listen, I usually don't like to toot my own horn, but I and my partner Han Fan have been ranking videos on page 1 of Google for a couple years now. Just like this video that's ranking number 1 for a high ticket product, and this video here that's ranking number 1, and this video here that's ranking number 4, and these 2 videos dominating the entire first half of Google, and this video here that are ranked in under 10 hours. And I can go on and on, but I think you get the point. We know how to rank on page 1 of Google for just about any keyword we target. But not only that, we're able to turn those rankings into passive monthly income like this, where you can see that we've brought in over $10,000 from ClickBank offers so far this year, and another $3,500 in commissions from another network, and a quick $141 in just 24 hours, and a couple of high ticket sales from one campaign here, and another $1,600 in 1 month like you see here. And again, I can keep going and going, but I'm sure you get the point. We not only know how to rank videos, we know how to convert that into profit as well. And I'm not showing you this to brag by any means. I'm showing this to you so that you know that if you want to finally get your videos ranked on page 1 of Google and turn those rankings into big profit every single month, then you're in the right hands. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get those same results in your business as well. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it in just 4 simple steps without needing any previous experience, without needing any fancy video equipment, without needing any technical know-how, and without even having to be on camera. Because we truly believe that anyone, regardless of experience and technical know-how, will be able to use our brand new web app to rank on page 1 of Google at will. But before we get into that, we have to talk about the huge problem that's causing more than 95% of people to fail with their videos. We see it day in and day out. We see the struggle, we see the failure, we see the frustration. And I'm sure many of you struggle with the same things as well. I'm sure many of you have tried ranking videos and failed. You've bought the latest ranking software and it just flat out didn't deliver. You've bought the latest ranking course and still couldn't get results. You've wasted hours upon hours putting in your sweat equity and nothing. You've wasted hundreds or even maybe thousands of dollars and still came up empty. Trust me, you're not alone. We see this all too often, and we used to be in that group as well. So it pains us to see how many people continue to struggle with their videos, especially because of how powerful and how big video marketing is right now. So Han and I went to the drawing board and decided to turn the video marketing world upside down. After seeing so many of the common reasons as to why people keep failing in the video marketing world, we decided to do something about it. I know it sounds cliche, but we feel that we've truly changed the game. Allow me to introduce you to xRanker360. xRanker360 is the first web app of its kind to guarantee that you only work on campaigns you know will rank with 100% certainty. Because you see, one of the biggest things we see happening is people put all this time and effort into trying to rank a video only to be left in complete disappointment. And trust me, we've been there too. You see, most people follow the typical video ranking strategies. You pick some keywords, you create a video for those keywords, you upload and optimize that video, you build some backlinks, and you wait to see if that video will rank. And unfortunately, after 1 to 2 weeks of wasted time following that process, most people fail and never get a video ranked. So we decided to ask ourselves a different question, a question that would send shockwaves throughout the entire video marketing community. That question was, what if you can know with 100% certainty that your videos will rank before ever having to do any real work to get those results? Imagine that scenario for a second. Imagine that if instead of putting all this work and effort into a campaign and then wasting 1 to 2 weeks of your time only to see that campaign fail, imagine if instead of that scenario there was a better option. A more effective option, an option that allowed you to only work on campaigns that you know are going to rank every time. Imagine the scenario where you pick some keywords, know which of those keywords will rank on page 1, and then you continue working only on the keywords that you know will rank. That sounds like a much better scenario, right? Why would you waste time creating a full campaign for keywords you know upfront will not rank? Why not instead let xRanker360 automatically figure out which keywords will rank on the first page of Google so that you can only focus on the winners? That way you can guarantee you will rank on page 1 of Google every single time and not have to worry about the keywords that won't rank. And this is right around the time where you ask, Josh, exactly how does xRanker360 guarantee that my keywords will rank? And look, we're not here to overhype what we've created. Of course, we don't own Google and can't manipulate their search results, so that's not what we're referring to here. However, we can use Google's own tools against them to know with 100% certainty that the keywords we pick will rank on page 1 of Google without having to spend more than 10 minutes of our time per campaign. And once we know our keywords will rank, we can spend more time on those campaigns and maximize the return on investment of our time. So exactly how does this all work? Well, it's simple. We leverage YouTube live events. If you've not heard of YouTube live events, allow me to introduce you to them. YouTube live events is the new standard that YouTube is moving towards when it comes to live streaming. The amazing part about this for us as marketers though is that Google loves to rank YouTube live events. They eat them up. But the best part about YouTube live events is that you can create a live event but never actually run or stream the live event and they still rank in Google. Yup, you heard that correctly. You can create a live event listing right now and never stream anything on that live event but still get indexed and ranked in Google. How amazing is that, right? This is the secret strategy that we've been using to guarantee that we rank on page 1 of Google without any wasted time or effort. The second that you create a YouTube live event, a public URL is also created automatically at the same time. And that URL has the power to shoot right up to Google's first page without you ever having to do anything else. So we decided to automate that technology right into xRanker360. With xRanker360, you get to choose your keywords, automatically create a YouTube live event right inside our software, let our system notify you once your live stream cracks into page 1 of Google, and then you can continue with your campaign. Once you know which keywords will rank, you'll then be able to edit that live stream and either upload a pre-made video or stream live. And then you can have that video automatically syndicated with our proprietary syndication system. With xRanker360, we've simplified the video ranking process into 4 simple steps. In step 1, xRanker360 will find you profitable, high-converting keywords in 1 click. xRanker360 has the most powerful keyword suggestion tool of any video ranking tool out there. All you have to do is input any seed keyword and xRanker will serve up hundreds of keywords to you on a silver platter. We've built our keyword engine to provide you with keywords that have been proven to convert visitors into buyers. In step 2, you'll be able to quickly and easily create a YouTube live event inside of xRanker360 in just a few clicks. This is where xRanker360 blows every other video ranking tool out of the water. Not only are we leveraging YouTube's most powerful ranking platform to date, but we've built our proprietary system alongside live events to guarantee that you rank on the first page of Google. xRanker360 will automatically create your live streams based on your selected keywords and will immediately start tracking where those live streams rank. The second that your live streams crack into page 1 of Google, you'll be immediately notified. This will ensure that you only work on campaigns that are guaranteed to rank. Everything else you can ignore and never waste time on keywords that will never rank. Then in step number 3, you'll be able to load up your video into your live stream event once you know for certain that your keywords are rankable. This is the beauty of xRanker360. Once you're notified of which live streams are ranking and which are not, you can only focus on the ones that you know for certain are ranking. Once you know the winners, you'll be able to easily edit your live streams and select any video file from your hard drive to load into your live stream. Isn't it amazing that xRanker360 will allow you to rank before ever having to do any additional work on your campaigns? Yeah, we think so too. And finally, in step number 4, you'll be able to syndicate your videos to all the top social sharing and social bookmarking sites for even more competitor crushing ranking. We've taken the exact syndication blueprint that allows us to rank on page 1 of Google at will, and we've automated it right into xRanker360. This is going to give you the edge over your competitors and truly cement your rankings to stick on page 1 of Google. Armed with xRanker360, you'll finally be able to rank your videos and start getting targeted traffic and sales from Google. So at this point, we invite you to go below this video to see exactly what you're getting, watch the powerful case study video, and then make sure you take advantage of our limited time charter members discount. The offer that you see on this page right now is a limited time offer. We will be taking this page down once the offer expires. So if you want to secure your guaranteed video rankings at the lowest price possible, we highly recommend that you secure your copy now. Plus, you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose and a ton of page 1 rankings to gain. Secure your copy below.